Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our course on the masterclass. Okay, on digitizing, on digital skills for modern workplace. Okay, so as I said, I'm Kelvin, and then I'm an online course creator, and then we'll be working with these tools. Currently, we are working with our Google Sheets. Okay, so in our previous lesson, we learned to work with dates. Okay, and then format the dates. Okay, and then we also learned about columns. So columns are the vertical ones, and then rows are these ones. Okay. Now these are column headers. Okay. So our column headers are like, let's say, the title. So these are the titles that define the cells. So these boxes here, okay, are called cells. Okay. Yeah. So in today's lesson, we want to work on drop down, as you see here. Okay. So when I click on this, I can select something. Okay. So to do that, let's get started. So in our mail column, okay, what we want to do is we want to create a drop down. So to do that, I'll click on this cell, and then I'm going to select data, and I'll go to data validation. Okay, I can add row, and we already by default we have drop down. Okay, so now the options are going to be the items that we want the person to select from. Okay, so you can see here when I click on the drop down, we have these that the person can select from. Okay. So option one, let's say we want the person to take fufu. Okay, so fufu is a local food, Ghanaian food. We have, let's say, apple is a starchy food by the Ewe tribe. Ghana, we can decide to change the color. Okay. Then I'm going to add another one. Let's say we want let's see, rice. Well, rice is a popular food. Like, yeah. Okay, so now here, if you want the users to be able to select or to select multiple values here, okay, as you see here, you can click on this, okay, and then we click on done. But if you don't want that, so what I'm saying is, if this is checked, okay, if this is checked, okay, what you can see now, the user can select multiple. So this person likes rice, maize, okay. But if you don't want the person to multi-select, what we can do is we just have to uncheck this. So let's say we want the person to multi-select. So I'm just going to check this and then click on done. And then that should be, so you can see our drop down is created. And then you can see I can select fufu, I can select a play. Okay. Let me just drag this here. Now this cell is this. So what we can do is we can just drag this. Okay. Then everything fills in, and then we can change it. We want this. So this person wants just a play. This person wants only, let's see, fufu. Then this person wants, let's say, rice. Okay, this person wants all three. Okay, so this is something that you can do with drop down. Okay, and then yeah, so that's what we have. We were able to work on this as a date for our previous lesson, and then this lesson we were able to do something with drop downs. Okay, so the drop down, um, you can also use the drop down from this menu. Okay, you can use the drop down from this menu. Okay, so let me just click here. You can see it's giving us the same thing. Or you can right click on any of the cell and then go to data validation. Okay, as usual, data validation, and then you will still have this here. Or you can do that through data and then go to data validation, and then we should have this here. Remember, whatever you change here, remember to for it to take effect, you need to click on done for it to take effect. Okay. So that said, I'll see you in the next lesson.